Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm making this beautiful summer centerpiece with lots of citrus vibes and some candlelights. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy these types of videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video for support. Now let's get started. For the centerpiece, I'm using a wooden tray, a couple artificial lemons, you may be able to find these artificial lemons in your local craft store, or alternatively, of course, you can find them on Amazon, and I'll provide a link to some similar ones below in the description box. I'm using a glass vase, which was going to be the highlight of my centerpiece, so I'm just making sure that it fits into my wooden tray. This one, by the way, came from IKEA, and it came in a set of 3 with 3 different sizes of glass vases, and I've used a previous one in my other centerpiece. Next, I'm using some artificial eucalyptus leaves or branches, and I've cut these ones to make them fit. Also from IKEA are these glass tea light holders, and they're actually really cheap. So I'm using 4 of those in total, 2 on each side of my glass vase. So I'm using 2 tea light holders on the left and 2 lemons, and then 2 tea light holders on the right and also 2 lemons of my glass vase. Then I'm spreading the eucalyptus branches around this, making sure that none of it is going to be on top of the tea light so it's not going to burn. And now I'm going to fill my glass vase with water. Because I'm using water and water can smell after a couple of days, I'm going to have to clear this out every couple of days, and I'm just going to use the water to water my plants. Now, sticking to the citrus lemon vibe of this, I'm putting some artificial lemon slices into this. You could use some real lemon slices, but if you're planning on keeping the centerpiece for a couple days, you're gonna have to switch to new lemons every couple days. And also, real lemon slices don't float as nicely as these ones do. You can tell these ones have small holes on the top, so if I just kind of press on them a couple times, it's going to fill with water and then sink or float to the bottom, which is perfect. So based on how much water goes into them, they're going to float on different levels of the water. And as a final decorative touch, I've placed 3 tea lights on the water and they just float naturally on the surface. I like to keep my centerpieces on throughout the season, so this one's going to be on display throughout the summer, and I love the yellow lemon vibe of this. The centerpiece looks beautiful when the sun's shining on it, and it's perfectly suited for nighttime activities just by turning on the tea lights and having that beautiful, warm, natural light coming from it. I hope you guys enjoyed this creative idea. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative ideas and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.